Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to show you how to connect Relevance AI to Airtable. So let's just get going. So first of all, you're going to be heading over to your API integrations and API keys section onto your Relevance dashboard. Once you are there, search in here for Airtable. And you can see we got integration for Airtable itself, and boom, that is literally it. What you need to do is simply click onto this black connect new account option. Once you go through that, it is going to be taking you to with the typical process of creating your account. You can see already we can see a connection animation here, and that is how you can connect Relevance AI to Airtable. If you want to get extended benefits and rewards onto Relevance AI, you can use the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.